To keep your Kubota RTV-XG850 sidekick operating at its maximum potential, regularly scheduled maintenance is crucial. Adjusting the tire pressure on your sidekick is easy to do. Your local Kubota dealer will have all necessary parts to complete this task. To complete this task, you will need an air compressor and tire pressure gauge. The Kubota RTV is designed to operate on a variety of surfaces. In order to maintain proper traction and load rating, correct inflation is crucial. Even after the air pressure is adjusted to the prescribed level, it naturally drops slowly in the course of time. This is why it's important to check it every day and inflate as necessary. First, check the pressure using an accurate pressure gauge. Digital gauges have the highest accuracy. If the pressure is low, use a compressor and a tire inflator to add air. If it is too high, use the inflator with the air hose disconnected to reduce the air pressure. Thanks for watching. Kubota. Together, we do more.